Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the tangent of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do first, the derivative of this one. So we have like this. So this one we have to ask this one we need to do first the derivative of x multiplied by y. Later that we need to do first the derivative of y multiplied by x. This one we have y squared and we know that they have y. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we got 2y, and later that we need to have first the derivative of y. This one and this one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So this one we have 14x. This one we have number 1. This one we have first the derivative of y. This one we have 26. Now we have first the derivative of y. We can do about factorization. This one and this one I will put on the right. Now we divide both sides by this one. Next, we have tangent line. So for this one, we have the formula in here. About this one, we need to use this one. So this one for x, this one for y. So we put this one and this one go in here to find the value of this one. So we have negative of the square root of number 3. This one, that is this one. This one, that is this one. And now we simplify. And we have number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.